Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Mac PC. First, let's get your Mac set up. You'll want to create or sign in with your Apple ID for full access to services. Then, familiarize yourself with the Mac OS desktop and the dock, which holds your favorite applications. Mastering trackpad gestures will make navigation much smoother, and don't forget to personalize your system settings. Now, let's dive into some essential built-in applications. Safari offers a quick and secure way to browse the internet. Finder is your central hub for organizing all your files and folders. For productivity, use Pages for documents, Numbers for spreadsheets, and Keynote for presentations. Stay connected with friends and family using Messages and Mail, both integrated seamlessly. Effective file management is crucial for a smooth experience. Learn how to navigate and organize your documents within Finder. For cloud storage, iCloud Drive keeps your files accessible across all your Apple devices. Always back up your important data using Time Machine to an external drive. Regularly managing your downloads and desktop items helps free up valuable storage space. Finally, make your Mac truly yours and learn how to handle minor hiccups. Personalize your desktop background and screensaver to reflect your style. Adjust notification settings to maintain focus throughout your day. For common issues, a simple restart often resolves problems. Remember to keep your Mac OS updated to ensure you have the latest security features and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.